Hey friends, ZenKahuna here, and I'm using my two-handled club today. It's one of them. It's my largest one, so I'm just going to be using it as a club in this video. Just a regular club. I'm going to show you a fun little movement that really opens up chest and shoulder girdle. It's a fast way to get prepared for any kind of swinging with Clubbells or Indian clubs or maces or kettlebells that you might be doing. So let's take a peek. So you're going to start off with just your basic curl and around the body. So you just flip it up, just as though you were going to do a salute. Flip it up, around the body, and down you go. So a couple of things. So here I am, well across the midline of my body, then around and down. So, boom. So I'm well across the midline, round and down. You want to use a heavy enough club and enough repetitions to make it challenging, but where you can still maintain excellent form. Last one. Take that one for a spin. See how it works for you.